whenever it is required, obviously you know it, but how do you know it? You know it because you're not doing anything, means the mind is not engaged in any action, consciously or subconsciously, by habit, because of the impressions that are still there. So you are aware, you recognize them, and you say, okay, done. Can we say that we are living from moment to moment? Can we say that this is the river? River is not the water, the wave, and the sand, etc., etc. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring your awareness on the right hand, your awareness on the left hand. Lift your both the palms, place it on your eyes. Open the eyes inside, know your experiences, and bring the hands down. How are you, Stephen?
I'm good. I was, I would say this was a meditation that I was, there were two levels to it. I was absorbed in the flow of the breathing, both the fast breathing and then through the nyasa, the limbs of the body. When we settled into the heart, it became absolute nothing. There wasn't a thought. It was just a quiet, peaceful place of nothingness. And then here we are. So thank you.
Beautiful. Yes, that's beautiful. How are you, David and Jerry?
For me, similar to Stephen too, I've become very aware of my breath, even outside of meditation, just in our day-to-day life. And so that was a big part of this. And I would say earlier than Stephen, from the heart, after probably the left arm, I just went into like nothing, just very calm, peaceful.
Very calm and peaceful. You know what happens, even do with the right arm, left arm, right leg, left leg. So even with maybe, say, for example, the right arm you're totally absorbed. You feel as if you don't need to do an other thing. You're already there. So that is what happens. It's a beautiful. So how are you, Jerry?
Sir, I'm good, thank you. The body gave me opportunity to check it. So I have the body's coughing, and I'm in stillness. I'm in peace.
Beautiful. Yes, that's beautiful. How are you, Terry?
Similar to what Jerry said.
Oh, what a good thing.
I had a thought I want to say about the river. What is the duration of a moment?
What is the duration of a moment? Who is asking this question? Who is knowing the duration? And that is the mind.
I don't.
Get rid of the mind.
Yeah.
So there comes the timelessness.
Yeah.
Fact is that every moment is timelessness.
Right.
Mind gives the time, duration.
So the river, so one can never suffer longer than one moment.
Yes, you got it. We never suffer.
Intellectually, I got it. But
You never suffer. You got it intellectually.
long,
You got it mentally? No. You got it physically? No. But you are not the body. So
yeah.
what you got intellectually is the knowledge.
Oh,
Why the knowledge does not live physically?
I don't know.
Because because of the ignorance, we need to remove it.
Practice.
Yes, you got an answer also. Are you, Sam?
Good. The quick breathing was pretty effortless,
Yeah.
and then just a profound sense of peace swept over me after that, and the rest of the meditation was very easy.
That's beautiful. You see, one thing more I noticed that my short breath was effortless. That short breath is done actively, so it demands an effort. But the mind removes that sense of effort. That's another answer to you, Ted. Are you, Lalit?
Yes, sir. So it was a good session for me. I was not focused though. I missed 2 sessions, and hopefully I would be able to gain the momentum in the upcoming sessions.
Yes, yes, yes. Think about gaining the momentum and missing the session. Return to the practice with commitment. How are you, Vaibhav?
So it was good, it was peaceful, quiet.
Right. Yeah. Very good. How are you, Brandy?
Good, thanks. My meditation was comfortable and absorbed. It was peaceful.
Peaceful. That's wonderful. That's beautiful. How are you, Sangeeta? I'm going in a
सर बहुत बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत पीसफुल।
it
बात
was
करने का मन
huh?
नहीं कर, कुछ बोलने को है।
She doesn't want to speak anything. She is into that state. So that's really good. So we have Barbara. Yes. I'm going in this way. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Barbara couldn't speak. I forced her not to speak through her sound, she's not able to unmute. But she is happy, even if I forced her. How are you, Rakesh? Rakesh is also muted. Ashok, how are you?
Namaste, sir.
Namaste. Oh, namaste, sir. We did namaste.
It was very nice, good, peaceful.
Very nice, good, peaceful. That is wonderful. So, how are you, Rakesh? You got it, I think. Oh, you don't get it. So, how are you, Anastasia?
Thank you. It was very deep and natural and connected. I feel connection.
Connection, yeah. Connected to whom?
To nothingness, I think.
Yes. Yes. That's wonderful. So, if Rakesh, can you speak? No. No, you can speak, but problem is with the. You see that, you see this is the point, that's what the point I'm making. My lips cannot move, my larynx cannot work, so I say I'm incapable of speaking, I cannot speak. But why, how dare I say, because I'm not the lips and larynx, I'm not the body. Look at such a simple way. Can I live into that to get rid of that delusion that is constantly living with us? Harry, did you understand that? So that is what happens, that the mind becomes totally free from the delusion and the ignorance. That mind reflects the real self. And that's where we realize. So that is all. Thank you. Anything more? Thank you. Namaste.
Namaste.
Thank you, sir.
So instead of asking, how are you, it is better to say namaste. Namaste means not me, not you. We are all are one. Otherwise, people will ask you. Whether, oh, you're asking the health of my body or something. That is all.